My video will provide you with help to get rid of the unwanted browser extension called Magnifying Glass Zoom. Magnifying Glass Zoom is the extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. But this extension actually changes the default search engine settings and the default homepage settings. Because of that, it is fairly considered to be the browser hijacking extension that changes a lot of crucial settings without the user's permission. In many cases, when you submit some search queries, you may get the results by some other unwanted search engines. It actually depends on your geographical and location settings. Also, a lot of such extensions are spread through integration with many free applications. So in most of the cases, users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. So to remove this extension, access the menu, go to More Tools, then choose Extensions. Remove this extension and remove any other extensions if you find them on the list. Finally, to make sure that your computer is free of other threats, I recommend that you research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the program, and then start carefully researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only Quick Scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.